I'm in love with you. I'm in love with the cold. I'm in love with you. No.
Please don't ask why your girl is out here looking crazy, okay? I just woke up from a nap. I'm extremely tired, but I have to go out. And I did my makeup earlier. And as you can see, my makeup is a hot mess. Eyebrows going cuckoo crazy. My eyeliner smudging. Foundation. Lips. Everything is just a hot mess. Oh my gosh. We're about to fix it. I don't want to do too much, but I want to look like I did something. Okay, so we're gonna use just one eyeshadow because ain't nobody got time for that. And orange eyeshadow is like the best. This is the Morphe 350 palette. I love this palette. And we're gonna use this orange shade right here. So I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. Like so. Real fast. I'm gonna take a blending brush. See how crazy my makeup look before I focus? Okay, when it focuses, it looks a little bit better, but when it, you see how crazy my makeup looks? Crazy. But let's blend this out. I'm gonna go back into the orange shade and just take a little bit. I want the orange to come all the way up. I love orange eyeshadow on my skin, especially on dark skin or brown skin girls. Like, it looks so beautiful. So I love using orange. Just in case you're wondering, why are you using orange? Orange eyeshadow just make it look like you did something even when you didn't. If you're a brown skin girl, if you have that melanin, trust me, like, this just make you look like a goddess. It's just so pretty. It looks like you did something even though you didn't even try. You just blended this out. I'm gonna go back with that brush that we used before and go back and pack the eyeshadow that came out earlier. Okay. I also want to go under my eyes with it. Earlier I already smudged out my eyes with brown eyeshadow, but I'm just gonna go around it and just like blend that orange like so. And that's done with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna conceal again my under eyes. I'm using this Kylie Cosmetics concealer. I really love it. I'm gonna put the color I'm using down below like that. Then I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. Oh, it's almost done. I need to open a new one. Okay, I took too much. But I'm just gonna put like a tad bit on top of the Kylie Cosmetics concealer, like just for a little bit of highlight. Then I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose and right here. Where's my beauty blender? Where's my beauty blender? I'm going to dinner and the movies, so I want to look like I tried at least, you know, to look presentable. I'm just gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna fix my eyebrows. Don't worry, guys. I got you. I'm gonna bake. I'm gonna use my Ben Nye powder. And I'm gonna bake my face just a little bit. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm gonna contour a little bit more of my Kat Von D contour kit. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, I love it. I contoured earlier. I just bronzed my face, but I'm just gonna bronze a little bit more. As I said, I'm not gonna worry about my forehead because my wig is gonna cover my forehead, so I'm not really worried about that. I hope these lashes like transform my face. These are the lashes that I'm using. I'm using a little bit of dramatic lashes. I got it from the beauty supply store from the Iconic collection from I Envy, the brand I Envy. These lashes are number 17 Iconic. It reminds me of House of Lashes Iconics for real, but it's just a little bit longer. But it's basically the same thing. It's like a copy, and this one is like half the price. This one I got it for like $2. I don't know why I say bucks. Do y'all see how bomb these lashes look? Like, yo, Yo, I just want to like scream. Like, oh, $2 never felt this good in my life, yo. Best $2 I've ever spent in my life. Excuse my eyes watering. I don't know why, but guys, these lashes are so bomb. They're so pretty. Like, so pretty. I'm gonna take Laura Geller highlighter. This is what it looks like. Love it. I'm gonna put it right in my tear duct as before, so I can revamp it. Looks pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. And then I'm gonna highlight again because my highlight obviously came out. I'm gonna take the eyeshadow I used on my eyes and I'm gonna put it on my cheeks. Orange blush. Oh my god, it looks so good on us brown skin girls and anybody, like, for real. Orange blush is just so pretty. I don't know why. Just looks so good. As you can see, so settled. Oh, I forgot my eyebrows. Oh my god, that's like the main event. Like, Lord, what's wrong with me? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna use this lip gloss from KKW Beauty. This is in the color yellow gold. It's like, this is what it looks like. It's really, really pretty, guys. As you can see. It's so pigmented, like, it's pretty. It looks like you didn't do much, but it just makes you look. Let me go put on my wig and straighten my hair, and then yeah, we could end this video. Okay, I'll be right back. This is literally how you can jazz up your makeup in less than 10 minutes and hit the road and turn up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, yeah, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Beatfleek. Follow me on Snapchat. I post on Snapchat every single day. On Instagram, I'm gonna try to post at least every single day now, but my story is always lit. It's always, my stories are always lit. Like, people say it's lit, so you're missing out. So follow me on all social media networks. Also Facebook, I've been posting there as well. I think old people use Facebook, but anyways, follow me everywhere, okay? So you can keep up with me, so you can know what's up, what I'm doing and all that stuff. And for this hair, yeah, don't ask me any questions. I got you. It's coming. It's coming. Just be on the lookout, okay? Be on the lookout. That's why I say follow me on Snapchat and follow me on Instagram, so you can know what up, what I'm doing with my life. You know what I'm saying? Everything I use is going to be in the description box, so you can check it out. And don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys again. I love you, love you, love you. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for rocking with me all these years. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I'm in love with you. I'm in love with the cocoa.